Welcome back. You're watching Weekend Live on SABC2. Now, even with the heavy rains in the country, Weekend Live continues to bring you some interesting buildings through the eyes of architects and artists. This week, we visited McNabs in Parktown, Johannesburg, chosen by architect Enrico Daffonchio, mainly because of its eco-friendly features.
We are at McNabs head office. The building is called the Energy Works because it's a building that has been designed and built keeping in mind very much the energy crisis and also the energy that brings people together to work. So it's a bit of a play on word on energy. The exterior of the building is very specific and very different because we have used openable louvers for the entire size of the facade of the building. The reason for these louvers is to be able to control very carefully the sun, the energy of the sun that hits the building in the morning and in the afternoon and during the day, so that the building is designed in a way so-called passive solar. That is to maximize the energy of the sun during winter to boost the heating of the building, and also in summer we can close the shutters and cool the building down with natural cross ventilation instead of using air conditioning. There are a lot of steel and glass elements because of the durability of these elements and because it is really almost a machine. This building has got a lot of movable parts, so metal was pretty much the only option to achieve the performance that we want for this building. The driveway is a crushed stone, and it's really to slow down the runoff of water and to keep the water site instead of actually putting it into the stormwater drainage. All these principles are called eco-architecture principles, and really they have four main areas. The site, the use of the site, the use of materials, what materials we're using in terms of the energy that is embodied in the materials, and the other one is water, and the other one is electricity and energy, how we are efficient in the use of energy and how we can produce energy on the site. There is a sense of openness because all the partitions of the offices are glass. So we want you to walk into the building and feel very energized and very uplifted. Yeah. It's very special because it's the first time that we managed to apply in one building all the principles of green architecture and eco-design that we have accumulated over probably 10 or 12 years of researching. It was the first time that we actually consolidated everything into one building very successfully because it works very well.